Yo, there's a boy.
Maga muthikiriria na mwirori wa m.n.m TV gwiraga hane ho mucie wigwe wi mucinge tomoro wa Kimani ru muthenya wa ira ndengenye kana MC ndegenye na yatigiria andu ingi naihoru ni mathaa ma hwaini aragithekereirie ndumiriri ire iragitigiria ingi na kimako kinene arakiandikire rau atiriri I have never crouched and I will never in the name of likes and views but araki sisitiza haria rauga but before just RIP Tuco I will be akiuga soon and very soon I might die and my death will be scary. I will involve 2v8 moja itani block mbele nyingine side so I'll have no path to escape. I will die because nilifunika dhambi. No one will wish such to happen, but I'm just having bad dreams nowadays. I'm becoming a drunkard. I'm sorry. Just preparing you. I don't know the date, but I will be very soon. Danarikiria hau arenderea auga atiriri I also pity myself. Nilifunika makosa. Kesho natoa song saa 9. The song will be cause of my death. Auga soon. I don't know when, but very soon ndegenye will be past tense. Akirikia na ugaria rucio tene no riu andu aingi matina kioera undu serious muno tondu konekana undu toyo ringi before ungiamwira atiriri etagwo John muhindi akauga ni wanjia riu ungeka topic akauga atiri Ibrahim Karango Mirimbogo akauga preparing us for what exactly. So najaribu ku explain video of the song. Hano ungeha akamwira atiriri sometimes getting somewhere or some level without being equipped with several capability in required capacity is demerit to some extent. Maturity is very paramount in every stage in life. Dear Lord, when you take me to a new level, can you grant me maturity and favor grace with wisdom to sustain me there. Niboekaga muno ni urimu nie maoni make cio nyangari arakara muno riu maoni ni ta macio akirikia kuiguira andu aingi matinagiti serious na angi makimaka muno hihi maoni maku ni mariku ririkana gushare na comment m.n.m TV.